4625 44th Avenue South. We're sitting down here at a significant offset. I cannot get the camera past. It appears that the previous camera scope done in October was not able to get past this either. This has been located 11 feet deep near the property line. I am going to get a proper count of the footage here, so I'm going to zero out my footage and then pull back. Turn there, nice little offset at that turn too. Some breakage there at the bottom. I'm going to locate this spot real quick. Alright, that's located 4 feet deep in the ivy in the front of the house. You can see the void there underneath the pipe. Probably, can't tell if that's the bottom or the top of the pipe. Alright, that was the bottom of the pipe, yeah. So we got the bottom there, you can see the erosion line going down the middle. Got root intrusion in some spots. Here's the tie-in coming from the other side of the house. I'm going to pause the video and locate real quick. Alright, that's 7 feet deep on the northeast corner of the home. It is said to be abandoned, so we could line over that. Alright, 52 feet of liner would be needed to line into this PVC. Now we're coming up out of the clean out.